Thank you, Madam Speaker. I rise to ask the question listed under my name in today's order paper, directed to the Minister for Local Government, Housing and Infrastructure and Transport. Can the Minister inform this House what is the total cost of the implementation of the streetlight provisioning of Cuvu Back Road?
The Honourable Minister for Local Government, Housing, Environment, Infrastructure and Transport.
Madam Speaker, as we did discuss in the Business Committee, it will be covered in the ministerial statement by the Honourable Minister for Economy.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We will now move on to the the report will be covered in the ministerial statement, and supplementary questions can be. I mean, you're questioning what has been no presentation.
Honourable Speaker, maybe you just could help with the ministerial statement they're going to make. I live in that part of Fiji, Back Road, Cuvu Back Road. It's very beautiful in the day, now more beautiful with the street lights. But I think it's really, we're rejoicing in what is happening in there, what has happened in there.
I'm not able to allow supplementary questions because I will not be able to gauge these questions to any presentation. And also the business committee members, your business committee members were alerted of this, and they had agreed that if it is being covered by the ministerial statement, we will have to wait until then.
Yeah, okay.